Alright, guys, so this is very crazy. A lot of people think that Tate has been cloned. And I even remember making a post a while ago asking people if they think that Tate got cloned. And I believe 18% sign said that yes, he must be cloned. And now, after his release, a lot of people are still saying, this does not look like Tate at all. Anyone noticed that he's been talking differently since his release? Every man's dream is a baddie with no Insta. He doesn't really talk like that. And he's referring to a Twitter post that made. True, he doesn't really talk like that, does he? I don't care what no one said. I believe that this Tate is a clone. Look at the ears. The first one is from him being released. Look like they cloned his brother and made him. Andrew's ears are away from the head, and now his ears are close to the head. It's a clone. Now, the amount of people that think he is cloned is insane. And honestly, he actually hasn't released any videos except this one, which genuinely makes it into a question. Obviously, I know they have to be very careful of what they release and all that. But this is just a big thing that a lot of people are asking. Hey guys, if I get any news about this at all, I'll be sure to update you all personally. I genuinely don't want to believe he got a clone, but if something like this has happened somehow, some way, I don't even know, then it's really unsettling. But yeah, guys, give me your thoughts about this in the comments below.